Great, I'm sure you didn't find that one very difficult by now. What is visual arts? Visual arts are drawing, painting, clay play, dough, make and bake, mud play, collage, glue and paste, tying activities. Those are all the artworks that one can present so that people can come around and look at it again and again and again, like in a gallery. Performing arts, those are dancing, singing, making music, role play, dramatizing, playing in the fantasy corner, dressing up, puppet shows. These are the typical arts that we would watch in a theatre. So certain activities can be done indoors only and certain outdoors only. Some can be done indoor and outdoors, but some general activities for indoors are cutting and pasting, making collages, box constructions, clay play, paint, drawing, fantasy play, music, dance, and rhythmic movements. And outdoor activity ideas are mud play, fantasy play, sand play, water play, dance, music, and rhythmic movements, and dramatizing outside. Whichever creative activities are planned, the practitioner must provide the safe, non-judgmental, and suitable environment where the child can be free to be creative.